Welcome back to RsN Hospitality. Today we're diving into the world of coffee and exploring the duties and responsibilities of a barista. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or aspiring to become a barista, this video will give you an in-depth look at what it takes to excel in this role. Let's get started. A barista is the heart and soul of a coffee shop, creating delicious beverages and providing exceptional customer service. Let's break down their key duties and responsibilities. First up, preparing coffee and espresso drinks. Baristas are skilled in brewing a variety of coffee beverages, from classic espresso shots to lattes, cappuccinos, and specialty drinks. They're trained to use espresso machines, grinders, and other equipment to craft the perfect cup of coffee, ensuring consistency and quality with every order. Customer service is a huge part of a barista's job. They greet customers with a smile, take orders accurately, and create a welcoming atmosphere. Building rapport with regular customers and remembering their favorite orders can make all the difference in creating a loyal customer base. Maintaining cleanliness is essential. Baristas ensure that the coffee shop and their workstations are clean and organized, from wiping down counters to washing equipment. Adhering to hygiene standards is non-negotiable, as a clean environment not only looks appealing but also ensures the safety of customers. Inventory management is another key responsibility. Baristas monitor stock levels of coffee beans, milk, syrups, and other supplies, ensuring everything is well stocked. Efficient inventory management helps prevent shortages and ensures smooth operations during busy times. Handling cash and processing payments accurately is crucial. Baristas must be skilled in using point-of-sale systems to ensure quick and efficient transactions. Providing excellent service extends to handling payments smoothly and ensuring customers leave satisfied. Continuous learning is important for baristas. They often participate in training sessions to stay updated on new brewing techniques, coffee trends, and customer service skills. Staying informed helps them deliver the best possible experience to customers. Imagine you're a barista during the morning rush hour. The line is out the door and customers are waiting for their coffee fix. Here's how you might handle the situation. 1. Stay calm. Keep your composure and work efficiently. 2. Prioritize. Focus on serving customers in the order they arrived. 3. Engage. Greet each customer with a smile and make brief, friendly conversation. 4. Speed prepare and serve drinks quickly without compromising quality. 5. Multitask. Handle multiple orders simultaneously, ensuring accuracy. 6. Clean. Maintain a clean workspace, even during the rush. By following these steps, you can ensure every customer has a great experience, even during peak hours. Being a barista is a rewarding and dynamic job that requires a blend of technical skills, efficiency, and excellent customer service. That's it for today's episode on the duties and responsibilities of a barista. Thanks for watching RsN Hospitality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.